Tia Chile Pulley, babe. Okay, I think is that here?
It's almost one day.
Zaza. All right, we need to change a crank pulley on Chilz's car because my dear short friend here broke a pulley. We don't have the old pieces in somebody else. But what happened was, if you can see from the bottom right there, what is remaining there is the middle part of the pulley, and that broke off.
That's the old one.
This is the old piece. This is what he broke. Like everything here broken. So he had to tow his car over here, where it is now, and there's another piece right here where they're at. So all we need to do is take out the 22 socket, or the 22 bolt rather, that is right there, using our 22 socket and power bar, and we have Emungwala. This is just for leverage. Yeah, so we're gonna plug it in here, and then pull as hard as you can to loosen this bolt so that we can take out the pulley and replace it with the other ones. So I'm already dirty, but let's get dirty.
Apologies, the footage showing how we removed the crank pulley got corrupt, so I'll briefly explain what you need to do to remove the pulley. To the access panel on the gearbox block, the flex plate with a short extension to stop the engine from turning when trying to remove the 22 bolt that holds the crankshaft pulley. This will require sudden impact to prevent damage to the pistons, and then once the pulley comes out, clean the new pulley and lubricate it and place it back on the crankshaft, and do the opposite when you're tying it back in. The video following this shows the entire process of it being put back together.
But we've just put in the pulley. It's right there. As you can see, lubricated nice and clean and neat and put in. I have the big bolt right here that we need to put in the car. Ooh, let me go back there. Again, there's our pulley. Wasn't focused. There's our pulley. So now I'm gonna put in our 22 millimeter bolt to put it in like that, and tie it. As you know, tying is clockwise, untying is anti-clockwise. I'm gonna use my hand. Okay, that holds just a little bit. Now, there's still the issue of this here socket that's there. So, Chile, please get the 22 socket and there's water leaking here.
Is it the same 22 socket you got from Sean?
Yes, please.
Yeah, there's a guy from somewhere. You can see. Yeah, it's clear.
Okay.
There it is. That's a 22. What you're gonna do is just tight just a little bit. Okay, so our belt is back in. You can see there, and the pulley is not the new pulley. Don't start the car way now. And the pulley is right there. This is the new one. Let me see if I can get a view over this. Okay, so there it is. I think you can see from there. That there is our pulley fully installed, and I think the car's about ready to start, isn't it? Bless us with the noise of a Jay-Z. Yeah. All right. No funny noises or anything. Cable is just fine. It's going in just okay. See it there? Bolts are in just fine. Are you happy?
Yeah.
I'm happy too. good. So this is the old one again that we took out. Everything on here broke, so we took the whole thing out and replaced it with what is on the car now. Yeah, this is the missing piece. Ow. Ideally it should be like this, all the way in, but this piece that's stuck now, it's coming out. This piece broke off. I guess it became brittle over time and snapped off, so yeah. But now we've changed it and the car's running smooth. Yeah, so thanks for watching DownShiftZM. We're glad that we got some of your subscriptions going up as well. It's pretty cool. And we keep on dropping videos regularly every now and then, so that you can see what we're doing when we're working on our cars. Hi, Tay.
Waiting for the flat.
For what?
Waiting for the flutter.
Yes, we are waiting for the flash. I'm just doing, yeah, so we're happy. The car's running, it's good. We're uploading regularly, so please, if you've got any comments, please drop a comment in the comment section down below. Also, please remember to subscribe to our channel if you're new, like and share with all the other people and see what we're doing under the Zambian sun when it comes to Bry, chill, and repeat. What? Oh yeah, we want to hear the flutter. Yeah, let's hear the flutter. Yeah, someone's definitely happy his car is okay now.
Yeah.
Cool. All right. So once again, thank you for watching, and please remember to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you got anything that you need to talk about. Peace.